Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my Project Pan update for the month of March. I do have a rollout, so let's just start there with my Neutrogena alcohol-free toner. I used this 55 times throughout this project. I did hit my goals this month. I think a total, I used it 16 times this month, and I only had 11 uses to hit my goal, so I did use it an extra 5 times, I think is what I'm looking at. Goal was to use this 50 times, so I started here up here, I ended down here, and when I look at it, I'm like, that's not a lot, but when I look at how big the bottle is compared to how small my face is, I actually used it quite a bit, so I'm excited to roll this out, so stay tuned till the end, and I will show you what I'm rolling in. For my Clinique Even Better Eyes, I had a hard time marking this one, so I just guessed, but I can tell that I'm getting at the end here. I used it 12 times this month. I may or may not cut this open. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna see where I'm at the end and see if I feel like cutting it open. I'm just wondering if that's the most sanitary thing to be doing that, when at the end I just want to be careful of bacteria. So I'll see what I feel like doing at the end here, and I say that as I cut this one open. Now this one, I had to cut it open because as I was squeezing the tube out, there was stuff coming out of the side, so I decided that I do want to cut it open and see how much use I can get out of it. I used this 13 times this month, so I still have quite a bit left in there. I'm going to see if I can finish it up within the next month, maybe 2 months, and I might just roll it out anyway, again, for sanitary reasons. Right now the product is still working properly, it's still looking good, so I don't have any major concerns, and it is only my lips that are using this. I'm not using this for anybody else, not even my children, so I kind of want to try to finish it off, but as the updates roll around, I'll just kind of play it month by month and see where I'm at, or if I just decide, like in the next couple of uses, that I just want to be done with this. There's a chance, again, for sanitary, for safety reasons. No red flags at the moment, but if they do come up, I'm not willing to risk it. The only reason why I'm doing this is, again, only because it's my lips that are using this, and I am goal oriented, and once I set a goal for myself, I want to reach that goal. Next is my NYX Bear With Me Jelly Primer. I used this 12 times this month, and so when I first rolled this into my project, I thought the progress was going to be a little bit quicker, and though it's definitely within like my realistic expectations, I think that I'll probably finish this closer to the end of summer versus like late spring, early summer, but I'm not mad at it. Again, it is like realistic with what I learned to expect from project panning. What I've learned from project panning the last couple years, nothing ever goes the way you want it to. However, I am happy with the amount of progress that I have made, and I feel like I can roll this out within the next 2 months or so, possibly next month, realistically probably by June. So I'm not mad at it. I'm genuinely happy with it, and I am enjoying panning this. Then we've got my Gerard Cosmetics eye primer. I use this 15 times this month. I'm using it as an eye primer, and when I feel like using it as a concealer, I've been doing that if I'm wanting to get an extra use out of it. Now, when I first rolled this in, I felt like it would probably be closer to late summer when I rolled this out. Now that I'm looking at it, I think it'll be probably early summer. I feel like the progress I made this month was actually quite a bit. I have been using this organically anyway, which is why I put it into this project, because it is a natural eye primer that I've been reaching for. So I figured, why not speed up the progress a little bit and just put it in this project. And then for the item that I am rolling in, again, I'm just going through my makeup drawers, my makeup category. My goal is to have about 1 makeup item per category in all year long, just kind of going through my makeup drawers, and whatever I don't finish this year, I'll just let that be the start for next year's project. But we are on sprays. I am rolling in the Mario Badescu green spray. I'm rolling this one in particular because I do have a couple of backups of this one, and this is the oldest spray in my collection at the moment, so I figured, why not use this up and then dip into my backups. It is one of my favorite facial sprays, so I'm right here. I feel like I can finish this up 1 to 2 months 3 if I just don't use it at all, but no more than that. Realistically, either after this update or the next update after that, I will be rolling something else in, but I figured it's a good thing to replace my Neutrogena toner. They're kind of the same size, well, kind of. Alright, I take that back, they're nowhere near the same size. This one's humongous, this one's an average spray bottle. But, I feel like this just makes a good replacement for this. It just kind of feels right. Anyway, my goal is to completely finish this up, by the way. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.